Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. The shirt I'm showing you is from the G Company. And my earrings are made by 554 and Company Studios. I'll talk more about these in a little bit. So in today's video, I'm going to be tackling the chores on this list, some of which, confession, I haven't done in a while. So I hope you're able to get some great motivation to cross off the to-dos on your list. So I'm just going to be walking through and showing you the state of my home. It's not too bad, but we're going to do a little bit of deep cleaning, if you will. I definitely need to dust. That's a problem. I haven't done that in a while, and this TV, what in the heck even happened? I'm also going to be washing the curtains, washing the couch cover from the couch. Ignore my couch, it's disgusting. That's why we have a couch cover. And if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. It's already off the couch because my son spilled something on it already. So let's get started with this long list of to-dos. How sweet is my little boy? He is definitely a mama's boy, but he's an amazing helper. We're using the Method Wood for Good spray to clean off the coffee table, lamps, and fireplace. The scent is almond. If you guys have not tried this, you need to. It smells so good. So here we're just going to be taking down the very minimal amount of Halloween decor that we have. Just these window clings and a plug-in light up ghost. Then I'm going to be moving on to wiping down the windows with my e-cloths. They're the glass and polishing cloths. And then the lamps and fireplace. If you're new, hi! Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. My name is Danielle. I'm a stay-at-home mom, married to my husband Justin. We live in Wisconsin with our 2 kids, Peyton and Bryson. I hope you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button and join my growing YouTube family. Please come say hi down in the comments and let me know where you're from. Okay, so I kind of want your guys' thoughts and opinions on putting our Christmas tree up this year right next to this lamp. I, of course, would move the blanket ladder and this filing cabinet. Let me know.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
Let me know down in the comments, are you a coffee drinker or not? If you are a coffee drinker, do you like your coffee hot or iced? My favorite treat that I like to get once in a while is the iced caramel cloud macchiato from Starbucks. It is so good. If you guys have not tried it, please do and let me know what you think. Do you guys prefer Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, or a different coffee shop?
I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change,
I just wanted to share with you guys the sweet gifts that I got from my mom after having each of my children. This one here is a Precious Moments I got when I had my son, and the other one I received when I had my daughter. It's a willow tree figurine. I would really love to get some more of those. They're absolutely gorgeous.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. Look.
Would you look at that little monkey boy? I cannot. He is so cute. So now I'm just going to be vacuuming and wiping down the baseboards underneath the couch. To wipe down the baseboards, I am going to be using Lysol disinfecting wipes. And then a tip for you guys, if you have any spots on the carpet, I'm going to be using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. They do have different kinds of these. They have regular ones, they have kitchen ones, they have bathroom ones. I'm not exactly sure the kind that I'm using. It might be a kitchen one, but it works so well on the carpets when you have spots.
Close your eyes.
If you're parents, let me know down in the comments if your kids love Band-Aids a little too much, that they think that they're stickers. If you're not a parent yet and you're wondering what you need to register for when you're about to have a baby, Band-Aids. Register for Band-Aids. You will thank me later. We go through so many, it's ridiculous.
In your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes.
So I know I mentioned in a previous video that this rug and I have a love-hate relationship, but if you're new, don't worry, I'm not crazy. I just go ahead and vacuum it in all different directions because with living in an apartment, we don't have a kitchen table. So we use this coffee table as our kitchen table. So that makes for a lot of crumbs, especially when you have kids, and it's thicker in some spots and lower, shorter, if you will, I don't even know, in some spots with the pattern. So that's why I go ahead and vacuum it like a mad person in all different directions.
Under the night sky for eternity. Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight.
Now it's time to move on and vacuum the stairs and wipe down the railing with Lysol disinfecting wipes. Side note, please ignore the dirty walls. If you have any tips on how to wash/clean the walls with children, let me know. I would be forever thankful.
So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes. Under the night sky for eternity. under the night sky.
Okay, so here I'm going to be cleaning out, vacuuming, and wiping down underneath the desk and just putting everything back where it was. Also, again, I don't do this as often as I should, and it's pretty dusty. Then I'm going to be moving on to my son Bryson's PlayDoh / coloring book drawers and cleaning those out before the upcoming holidays. We like to purchase new PlayDoh every 6 months or so because he plays with it so often.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done.
So here I'm just going to be going through all of these drawers. It mainly holds his Play-Doh and Play-Doh toys and coloring books. There are some things in here that don't belong, like decks of cards and other card games. So I'm just going to go ahead and take those out, and then I'm going to vacuum out the drawers. Okay, you guys, so I had to share this amazing gift idea with you guys. Whether it's for a birthday, Easter, Christmas, you name it. Any child would love this gift. It comes with 12 dinosaur eggs. Each egg has one dinosaur inside. So you take the egg and soak it in water for a few minutes. And the kit also comes with excavation tools. So they use those tools to dig out the dinosaur. I mean, how fun. My children loved this gift. So I'm going to be wiping down the walls that my children think is their personal canvas with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and then using a Lysol disinfecting wipe to wipe down my son's Play-Doh coloring book drawer. Then I'm going to be taking the curtains down in my living room and throwing them in the wash. Now I don't put them in the dryer. I hang them up to dry, and you will not believe the smell. It smells so good from the fabric softener and laundry soap.
And it was easy, you put the records on to replay. Danced till we couldn't see straight, till the morning came along. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening. We don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, 'cause that's what friends are.
Now it's time to channel my inner Amanda from this crazy life and throw my hair up and fold this laundry. You guys, I hate folding laundry and putting it away. Another confession, sometimes it will sit in the laundry basket for a few days, and then I'll put it back in the dryer to freshen it up from all the wrinkles and then fold it. Then it'll sit in the laundry basket folded for a while before I go ahead and put it away. I don't know what it is, but for some reason I just hate doing this part. Please tell me I'm not the only one that does this.
And it was easy, you put the records on to replay. Danced till we couldn't see straight, till the morning came around. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening. We don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, 'cause that's what friends are for.
So now my kids and I are going to put the clean couch cover back on the couch, and then I'm going to be hanging up the amazing smelling curtains. Alright everyone, we're getting towards the end of the video. I'm going to be showing you some after shots of my now clean home. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button. It just lets me know that you enjoyed and want to see more. Until next video guys, have an amazing week. Bye!